And welcome to Smart Syllabus students. Hope you all are studying very well. So due to this lockdown and the deadly disease of this COVID-19, many of you are maybe not touching even your books. It's a psychological problem, so don't worry about that one. The SSLC board has already decided to conduct your exam at any cost once the disease gets a little bit over. So till then, students, it's your prime duty to study at your home at a regular pace. So out of 24 hours, give at least 1 hour for one subject so that you can study 6 subjects, 6 hours. No need to study continuously, at least 1 hour, then after some gap, and again 1 hour, again some gap. So like this you can continuously, you can study for your forthcoming final exam. So to help you all, this channel, the Smart Syllabus, has planned a crash course. So under this crash course series, dear students, we are going to study just the 100% questions which are going to appear in your maths examination. So this is SSLC final exam preparation crash course 100% question. So every day you will get a 100% question. You need to just watch the video, and at the end of the video there will be some homework for you all. Just you need to do that homework. Out of few questions at the end of the video, students, there will be few questions which you have to answer in the comment section, and the remaining questions you have to practice on your own. And if you get any doubt, you can ask at any time in the comment section. So dear students, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Along with that, even you can check the trigonometry videos. The link will be given in the description section, so through that you can get those videos. And apart from that, if you want anything you want to know in the maths and the science, you can comment in the comment section. So without delay, let's start the video. So dear students, this is SSLC final exam preparation crash course series, in which we are going to study just 100% question, means a sure shot question which will appear in your final exam. Type of the question is 100% sure. So these type of questions, every day one question will practice. We all will prepare for your SSLC final exam. Okay, let's begin with the today's topic. So dear students, the first topic which you are going to study in the final exam preparation of your SSLC crash course is the real numbers. This is the simplest topic, as you all know, already have studied the entire year. So this is the simplest topic. From this topic, dear students, you're going to get 4 marks, exactly 4 marks from this topic. So if you go on analyzing from the real numbers topic, which all questions can be asked. First, if you just analyze this 4 marks. So okay, it may be asked for you in the final examination, 1 mark on MCQ, plus 1 mark, 1 more question, plus 2 mark question. So 1 mark question of what type it will be, and this 1 mark as well as this 2 mark question, what type it will be. About that all we are going to study in this series. So be with the series every day, watch the video and like the video, and don't forget to send your answers in the comment section. Today we are going to study about real numbers part 1. So students, under the real number chapter, if you just look deep into the sections or the types of the questions which can be asked out of 4 marks. So as we discussed already, it will be broken as 1 plus 1 plus 2. There are some important points in the topic, students. Let's check the few points here now. First one, express the following number as a product of its prime factor. This is a sure shot 100% question, dear students. Many question papers you might have already solved for your SSLC final exam preparation, and you might have even observed, at least in the objective part or in the 1 mark section, you have got a number which is asked for you to convert into the prime factors. So this is a 100% question. Next, if you go deep into the lesson, there will be a sure short question about HCF finding as well as LCM finding. So HCF or LCM finding, or even HCF and LCM, both findings will be asked in your examination. So next there will be a Euclid's division algorithm. So this Euclid's division algorithm, dear students, using this answer you can find the HCF of given two numbers. Even this is a very important question for 1 mark. So in many question papers pattern you might have seen this question. Find the LCM of given two numbers using Euclid's division algorithm. This is also known as EDA, Euclid's division algorithm, a very important concept, dear students, to find the HCF of given numbers. Then the final question, and this will be for definitely for 2 marks. That's proof that the given number is a irrational number. It's again one more 100% question. It means this is 100% question for 2 marks. This is 100% question for 1 mark. The remaining is this section. So either it may be asked directly for you to find HCF and LCM of given two numbers, or it may be asked for you people to find the HCF of given numbers using the Euclid's division algorithm. So that will be for 1 mark. So the total comes to 4 marks. So this is the general view of the topic real numbers. So now I think it is clear for you what to study under the real numbers section. So these 4 points, if you perfect yourself, definitely then 4 marks from this topic will be yours. So today, dear students, we'll concentrate on this point, that is expressing following numbers as the product of its prime numbers. So this is the simplest part, as well as it will be very good to start this crash course series with the simplest question so that many of you can understand the idea of the real numbers. Okay, let's begin with the first point, that is expressing following numbers as a product of its prime numbers. So students, express the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. Out of that, the first question is express 144 as a product of its prime factors. So for this you need to write it like this, means you need to find the factors of 144. Okay, 144, and this method is almost it's similar to the finding of the LCM. So just like that it is. So write 144 here. First, students, check the unit place number. It's a 4, so it's an even number. So whenever you get an even number in the unit place, definitely that number is going to be divisible by 2. So always start dividing the given number with the smallest number. Let's begin with the 2. If the given number is not divisible by 2, then go for 3. Not divisible, then 4, 5, 6, like this. If you directly take 144, it's a square number. It's a square of 12. So if you directly divide this with a 12, then it's not going to be a prime factor product. So always divide with the least number. So here it's an even number. So definitely it's going to be divisible by 2. So okay, divide 144 by 2. So if you just take a single digit, that is 1, it's a smaller than 2, so not divisible. So we consider 2 digits, that's 14. So is there 14 in the 2 table? Definitely, it's by 7. So 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14, it's 0. The remaining number is 4. Is there 4 in the 2 table? Definitely, that's by 2. I think it is understood, students. Next again in the unit place, it's a even number, so definitely going to be divisible by 2. So let's consider the first digit, just 7, bigger than 2, then 2 is going to divide the 7. So is there 7 in the 2 table? No. Then the smaller number 6, it's going to be by 3. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, remainder is 1. 1 and 2, 12. So is there 12 in the 2 table? Definitely, it's by 6. Again, it's even number, so divisible by 2. So is there 3 in the 2 table? No. Smaller number 2, it's by 1. So 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 and 6, it's 16. So in 2 table 16, yes, it's by 8. Again, it's even number, so by 2. So in 2 table, is there 18? Definitely, it's by 9. Then in 2 table, is there 9? No. So this time, change the digit. Check the 3. Definitely in 3 table 9 is there, it's by 3. Again, check, students, again with the 2 table. No, it's not there. So again with the 3. In 3 table 3, definitely it's there, it's by 1. Like this, the given number you must go on dividing till you get 1. Now the division process ends. Now at the solution part, 144 can be written as, write all these numbers now with the multiplication sign. So it's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If you just look carefully at these numbers, these 2 and the 3 numbers appear only in their table and the 1 table, in the sense they are prime numbers now. It means 144 is expressed in the product of prime numbers. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's very easy question, students. So this type of questions is going to be in your final exam 100%. Let's check one more example. 156. Okay, write 156 over here. Now try to divide this one with the least number. So as you can see in the unit place, there is an even number, so definitely it's divisible by 2. So in 2 table is there 15? No, smaller than that. 14, it's by 7. So 7 to 14, 15 minus 14 is 1, 1 and 6 is 16, that comes by 2, 8. So 78 into 2 is 156. Again in the unit place, there is an even number, so again it's going to be divisible by 2. So is there 7 in the 2 table? No, smaller than that, 6. So it comes by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6, so 1, 1 and 8, 18. So in 2 table is there 18? Definitely it's 9, right? Now as you can see in the unit place, it's an odd number. So we cannot divide this one by 2. So definitely we have to try with the 3 now. So 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. In 3 table is there 9? Definitely it's 5. 3 Next 13. So being in 10th standard students, you must know that 13 is a prime number. It means 13 comes only in 13 table, not in any other table. So 13 is divisible by 13 only. So 13 is a 13. It means in the solution part, we can write 156 as the product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, and every number is a prime number, right? So these are the prime factors of given number, that's 156. I think it is more clear now. Okay, let's check with one more example. Now this time it's 140 students, so write 140 over here. Now anyhow in the unit place it's 0, so definitely it's going to be divisible by 2. So 2 table is there 14, as 6 by 7, 0 as it is. Again 0, it's divisible by again 2. So 2. So 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 and 0, 10. So 2 5s are. Now 35, just check, 35 is a odd number. Is it in the 3 table? No. In 4 table? Impossible. Then check with the 5 table. Yes, of course. So 35 comes under 5 table. It's by 7, and the 7 is a prime. So 7 comes only in the 7 table. So the solution part, 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, and every number is a prime number. So this is nothing but product of its prime number. So 140 is expressed in the product of its prime factors. Think it's getting more clear now, right? So under this section we're going to study one more last example. After that you're going to have homework. So the fourth number, dear students, it's 3825, 3825. Little bit a bigger number we're going to take. So first write down the number over here. So 3825. Now this 3825, as you can see in the unit place, there is a odd number, so it's not going to be divisible by 2. So then definitely try with a 3. So by 3 table, definitely 3 is there, it's by 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next consider 8. Is there 8 in the 3 table? No. Smaller than that, 6. It's going to be by 2. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, definitely 2. 2 and 2, it's 22. you must not multiply, you must just keep those numbers side by side. So 2 and 2 is 22. Is there 22 in 3 table? No students, there is 21. That's by 7. Now 22 minus 21, it's 1. 1 and 5, 15. And of course in 3 table 15 S6 there. So that's by 5 sir. So 3 5s are 15. Means 3825 is divisible by 3. Next, one more time, consider that one by 3 only, because in the unit place it's a odd number. If it is even, definitely will go by 2, but it's odd now. So consider 12, because 1 is smaller than 3, so consider 2 digits. Is it 12 in 3 table? Of course it's by 4 sir. Next it is 7, so 7 doesn't exist in the 3 table, therefore we go by 6. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 and 5, 15. That's again by 5 sir. Now again check that one with the 3, because in the unit place it's a odd number. So 3. The students, I think we studied in 6th and 7th the divisibility tests. So if you remember those tests, then just by seeing a number you can decide whether that number is going to be divisible by 3 or 5 or 6 or any given number. If you forgot that, then you can try by this, the trial and error method. Okay, now we'll check this 425 whether it is divisible by 3. In 3, 4 doesn't come, so we go by 1. So 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 and 2, 12. That's 3 4s are 12. Last remaining is the 5. But in 3 table, 5 doesn't appear. It means this 425 is not going to be divisible by 3. Then we have to check by 4, but it's an odd number, so not even by 4. It's a 5, then definitely by 5, 425 can be divisible. So we'll check with the 5 now. No, by 5. In 5 table, is there 42? No, but smaller than that, definitely 40 is there. So that's by 8 sum. 8 5s are 40. 42 minus 40, it's 2. 2 and 5, 25. In 5 table, 25 is by 5 sum, right? Next, 85. So as you can see, 85 is divisible by 5 again. So in 5 table, 8 doesn't come, so smaller than that. 5, it's by 1 sir. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 and 5, 35. That comes by 7 sir. I think students, you know 17 is a prime, so directly go by 17. So 17 is a 17. So now this is the end of the factorization. Now write the solution part. Given number is 3825. That's equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So here every number is a prime number. So we expressed the given number into a product of its prime factors. Now I think students, with this first video of the SLC final exam preparation crash course, this first easiest sum is, I think it's more clear now in the real number section. So in the next forthcoming videos, we'll be dealing more difficult questions. So be with the series, be with the channel. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to share these videos with your friends so that even they can prepare for their final examination. And don't forget to send the answers of the homework in the comment section. Now here comes the homework. For your practice homework, dear students, the first one is 110 and the second one is 136. These two answers you have to send it in the comment section. Just in the comment section A and write 110 and write its factors whatever they are. Then write B, then write 136 and write the factors whatever they are. So after finding, do not forget to send these answers in the comment section. Then these 5 questions, students, A, B, C, D and the E sum. So these 5 sums are there for your practice. What you're going to do is first try with these 5 sums. Once you get perfect, then try these 2 sums and send these 2 answers in the comment section. I'll be waiting for answers so that I can make sure myself you are going to use these videos properly. So again, we'll meet in the next video. So till we meet in the next video, till then, dear students, study well and study hard.